black ants were peaceful, working together every day to gather food. The red ants were aggressive, always looking to expand their territory. One day, the red ants discovered the black ants' food storage.
This food should belong to us. We will take it all. This is our territory now. Forward, my colony!
The black ants tried to stay calm and avoid conflict. They moved steadily, gathering food and avoiding their red neighbors. Through cooperation, they maintained harmony in their world.
But the red ants launched a sudden attack on their colony.
Chaos spread everywhere as the black ants rushed to defend their home.
The black ant queen gave an order.
Protect the colony at all costs.
Be brave to strife. Their mandibles clashed in a fierce battle for survival. Through unity and courage, the black ants held their ground. The red ants charged forward with speed and strength. The battle was intense, ants clashing from both sides.
Black ants started losing ground under heavy attack. But then, a young black ant had an idea.
I've got it. If we work together, we can carry this crumb. A great idea.
Let's work together and trap them!